Good morning, YouTube. So we're update video really. Got this machine here yesterday. Over the last 5 days, it was broken. We had to have a new head gasket put on, which we did with the help of our ancient mechanic. And now, as we did have a test run, and it did fire up, although it's out of time. But now, at the same time, the starter motor went, so now we've got a new starter motor, which I'll show you here. That's this here. So we're going to fit this starter motor. Once the starter motor's on, then we can time the engine a bit and get it going. And once we've got that done, then we've got to get this foundation that we've been working on done. This foundation is 42 piles and it's now way behind time, but there's something more important than that. And that is that once this machine is running, that foundation is done, then I am going back up to my own build in Staraya Russa to carry on with that, and I intend to stay there for a while. So keep an eye on these videos, and the video's coming out of the build up there as soon as this foundation is done. There'll be another small update before I go, just to let you know what day when it's going. But until then, got to get this done. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.